Hello simple friends, this is Chef Tatong and today magluluto naman tayo ng isang simple for you. Kaya luto na tayo!
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha, ha.
Today gagawa tayo ng ating version ng Thai bagoong rice. Though bagoong rice may Filipino din tayo. Pero ito medyo tumatagilid lang siya ng Thai version. Sisimulan natin gagawa tayo ng sweet pork. So parang caramel pork yung gagawin natin. So meron ako ditong pork, no? Pork belly, kasim or pigi, cut into small pieces. Now, we just put it into our pan and we just marinate it very simply with soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So ito siya yung pork natin dito is part of our toppings, no? Hindi talaga siya nakahalo mismo sa fried rice natin. So parang pag kinain mo yung ating fried rice, parang may ulam na rin tayo. Okay, so we're gonna add some garlic, around a tablespoon of garlic, and water, around a half a cup of water. Yan. Mix it together, turn on fire. And just let it simmer away hanggang medyo maluto siya, then maging sticky, no? Maging caramelly yung kanyang texture. And black pepper. Yan. So that's the first step, no? Yung gagawin natin, yung ating sweet pork. So, unang-una, of course, pag fried rice, masarap pag may eggs. So we're gonna make some scrambled eggs. Beat our eggs. I just seasoned with a little salt. Always season your food. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo season kasi magiging matabang yung ating food. Yan. And a little oil on our pan. And we don't want our pan to be very hot. Kasi ayaw natin mag-bubble, no? Mag-bubble yung ating eggs. Gusto natin medyo crepe-like yung kanyang dating. Kasi we're gonna slice it, no? So, yan. Look at that. Not very hot. Para maluto siya evenly, yung gagawin mo, just move the pan around. And look at that, no? Ang ating egg, nag-firm up na siya. And what we do, we just roll it, no? Very simply roll it. Ako, I just like to do it this way. Yan. Yan. Then, we put it aside. Yan. Again, second step, using the same pan, dadagdag naman tayo ng konting oil. No, just a little, just a touch of oil. And meron ako ditong hibe. And we're going to fry it also here. Now, we're going to saute it in the pan para ito din magiging part ng ating toppings. No? So, parang when you eat it, may konting bite of saltiness kasi medyo sweet yung pork natin. Ito may konting alat and konting crunch. No? And we set it aside. So, meron din tayong sitaw dito. So, there are two options with the sitaw. You can saute it separately. I'll just saute it separately. Yan, saute lang din natin. We just want to warm it up. I'll just like tiny bit of salt lang para lumabas din yung lasa ng ating sitaw. And once you have that nice color, tatabi naman natin. No? So, what we're doing, we're just preparing all our ingredients. No? And meron tayo dito, of course, fried rice. The best to use is kaning lamig. And we just saute. Again, may oil ako. Just a little bit of oil. And I'll saute my garlic. So, very important for me is to bring out the flavor of the garlic. Yan, saute our garlic. Take time to saute your garlic until it becomes toasted on the sides. So, and now the pork, I will just put a lid on the pork. Tatakpan ko siya para maluto siya and mas mabilis siya mag-tenderize. So, then I add onions. And we cook the onions until translucent. We saute our onions and we add our bagoong. So, in this case, I'm using ginisang bagoong. No? Bagoong na medyo sauteed na siya. Around 2 tablespoons because I'm using around 3 cups of rice. No? And I will add just a teeny bit of soy sauce. Konting soy sauce lang and a little bit more sugar. Saute. And I will add my rice. Here, look oh. So ako, pag nag-fried rice ako, hate na hate ko may nagbububo na kanin, no? Na puting-puti. So ako, I really make sure that I mash it properly. Yan. Yan. So our rice is almost done. So ito yung dish na to, hindi lang siya yung kanin, hindi siya side dish, no? Pero kundi ito siya, ulam na talaga to. And to give it some color, lalagyan ko lang ng chopped spring onions. I'll leave some for garnish later. And it's practically done. Tapos na tayo sa ating cooking. And my pork is almost done. Tingnan mo, sobrang sticky na niya. Oh. Look at that, ha? And of course, yan, diba? Fried shrimp, fried also. Tayo. Ay! So here's our version of bagoong fried rice. At nakita nyo, sa harap nyo, in front of your very eyes, kaya-kaya itong gawin. Kaya tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!